Hello everyone, this is Jagjit Singh Panesar from HSP Construction. Welcome to my channel. This video will demonstrate you when your toilet flange is broken, as you see in the video. Then this flange repair kit become handy. This is the plastic one I'm using. It comes in a brass as well, so it's different material and different made. You can get from a Home Depot, Lowe's and Rona as well, and both of them they do the same job, what it's meant to be. Basically here I'm just anchoring it down, anchoring the flange ring down, so that way it will have a strength to hold the toilet seat, because the toilet screws, they will go into those grooves and hold the toilet seat straight well and steady. So here's the last screws going in, and that's it. So I got 4 screws down. It looks pretty strong now. So before you put the toilet seat on, just make sure everything is fine. I'm checking a wax ring here. If it sits properly, it looks very sleek, and it sits nice. So here's the screws going in. So I'm gonna tighten them up before you put the toilet seat on. So I'm gonna just make sure they are sitting straight, so it won't bug me when I'm putting my toilet seat down. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today. Please subscribe my channel. If you're still behind, please subscribe and give a like, give a comment, and share with the many people, so it can help you. It can help you as well as it can help others. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and thumbs up as always.